The first question is, tell me something good. Okay, so you've got 1 minute. You've got 1 minute, like, pretend like we're in an elevator. I want to tell you guys like a story. The last time I did this presentation, I actually put on the worksheet, like, we're in an elevator. You have 1 minute to engage me with a positive interaction. You've got 1 minute to engage me with a positive interaction. We're going from the first to the 20th floor. The people from the last presentation, they said, I took this to be literal, like I really thought that we were actually in an elevator. And so they said, something good was, gee, I'm glad this elevator is actually working and we're not stuck in it. So a really literal interpretation of the question. But if you've ever heard of the elevator pitch before, the idea is you've got less than a minute to get your elevator pitch out. So what I'd like you to do is to come up with something optimistic in your lives and write that down. Tell me something good. It's engaging. It's encouraging to people. It's empowering to people. I like this person. They're easier to work with. They're easier to communicate with. I find value in the dynamic between myself and this person. These are soft skills. This is what makes optimism the secret sauce. Joanne, you got a good set of people skills, and I appreciate you volunteering and sharing that information. That is definitely something good. What school did she go to? Rockford. Oh, hey, look at this. Look at what we're doing. This is great. Can I engage you for just a moment since you kind of, okay, so you graduated from Rockford also?
Yeah, I did.
Your name is? Miriam. So Miriam, would you mind volunteering what your Tell Me Something Good is?
I wrote down that when you wanted this assignment, it is very positive and creates a positive atmosphere.
How many other people have an audit assignment that they're excited and is positive? Pumped up about it. Hey! That's good. You got to believe in your ability to win. You got to believe in yourself and abilities to begin with. The reason that I had you write the word confidence down on the top of the worksheet is because your victories that come as a result of optimism feed this belief in yourself and abilities. Communication, team player, resilience, patience. Look at the one right in the middle. Confidence. I want to believe there's a reason that confidence is in the middle of those set of soft skills. Because of those 5, it's the most important one. And you develop confidence by winning. And you win with the secret sauce. And the secret sauce is optimism. So in this visual, they give you some examples and then they say, boom, number 1, confidence. I want you to believe in yourself and abilities to do this job. I want you to practice optimism so it can lead to wins. So it can lead to victory. I'm capable. I can do this. And your soft skill set grows. It starts to level out with where your technical skill set is at. And then you become that well-rounded professional.